I'm so excited about this video today because I have a new toy to show you. And Christmas came early for the Ninja. For some time already I've been trying to get into Kamado cooking, but for some reason or another I never pulled the trigger. But one day I was checking the internet around and I found this grill. This is a brand new grill on the market. So I make a little research around it and contact the company. And to make the story short, here it is. So first, I want to thank Louisiana Grills and Pitboss for sending me this grill. Pitboss sent this grill to me with no condition. They are not reviewing the videos before I post them, and I have total freedom to talk good, regular, and bad about it. And with that out of the way, let me show you how I assembled this baby. If you're familiar with any other Kamado grill, it will surprise you the way this grill is delivered. It comes already assembled and ready to go, minimal work needed. The entire grill weighs 280 pounds, but these legs can handle it very well. After the legs were ready, all we need to set up is the side shelf, the handle, and the top damper for temperature control. And after adjusting the airlift hinges, it can be moved up and down with one finger. It also includes a heat deflector for indirect cooking and two stainless steel cooking grids. It is very easy to move around and it looks amazing. And today we will figure out how it cooks, as we will be popping the cherry out of this grill. So today we are going to be smoking a tri-tip as a brisket, but before that, we need to talk about the combustible we will use. These two bags are from my favorite charcoal, Foodi charcoal, and I refuse to use anything else, as the flavors and combustion properties from this charcoal are unique. Here we have the premium charcoal and the super premium lump charcoal from Foodi charcoal, and yes, they are different, so we need to make a decision. And what difference does it make? Well, the super premium will burn slower than the premium charcoal, and it's better for smoking because of that property. On the other hand, I use the premium charcoal for all my grillings, and it is fantastic for that. So today I will use the super premium charcoal for this cook, and if you want to learn more about charcoal types, I'm leaving all the links in the description for you to check out. And now for the meat. For that I have this beautiful tri-tip with a really nice fat crown. As we are smoking this baby, we will need to treat it right and remove any hanging piece of fat and blue skin. And with all that done, it's time to prepare the rub. And as this will be smoked as a brisket, we will use only sea salt and crushed pepper for it. As a binder, mustard or mayo can work wonders, but simple vegetable oil or even a bit of spice sauce can work as well. Once the binder is applied to the entire cut, add the rub and make sure you cover all the meat. One thing to keep in mind when cooking in Kamado is that once you set your diffuser in, it will be very difficult to add anything else to the charcoal. So I waited 20 minutes for the grill to heat up, and right before we add the diffuser is when we add the wood. Because this first cook I want it to be amazing, so I can justify to Miss Ninja why I needed another grill, I will be using barrel woods. This is cut straight from old whiskey barrels, and the aromas from the whiskey are impregnated within the wood. Once you set those on fire, the same smells and flavors will be added into the meat for the most amazing and tasty smoked meat you ever had. And with the wood in, I will set the diffuser and the graze into the grill and close it up. I will set the bottom vent to one row of holes and play with the top one until we get the grill to stay at 250 degrees. But first, we need to add a thermometer so we can control the internal temperature of the meat. I will use my meter thermometer as they are the best gadget ever invented, and set the alarm to beep as soon as it gets to 170 degrees. After 1.5 hours, the tri-tip is ready to wrap. Wrapping the meat will make it cook in their own juices, making it tender and juicy inside. So butcher's paper to the work. And once you are done wrapping, don't waste any time. Set it right into the grill, and this time until it hits 205 degrees. After 1 hour the cook is done. I will poke the tri-tip around just to make sure it's tender everywhere and pull it from the heat. With all that done, final judgment has come upon this grill. Let's see if it can smoke as advertised.
I didn't know you were around. Am I too big a deal? Am I what you're looking for? Can I be what you're looking for?
Well guys, here we have this beauty. What do you think about this, Miss Ninja?
I'm impressed.
Look at the smoke ring on
That's
those babies
exactly
over there.
what I was gonna say.
And it's so juicy, guys.
It looks perfect.
Mr. George is down there going, wow. Let's give it a shot, Miss Ninja. Let me tell you guys, this took a little bit longer than I expected, but I think the results are awesome.
They're worth it, literally, because I'm impressed of the smoke ring.
Wow.
Wow. This is brisket, right?
Say what?
Tri-tip, Miss Ninja.
No
Cook
way.
as a brisket. This thing is delicious. This thing is amazing. This thing is delicious, brother.
Yes, it is. And sisters,
Man.
I am totally impressed.
I will tell you
Seriously.
this. It's close to a brisket. I like it a lot.
The texture?
You know what? We have to compare that brisket bestsellers. Tri-tip, smoke as a brisket. I don't know, because it's really, really good. You guys should give it a try. This is really good. Now I have to ask you a question.
What?
Did I make you hungry?
Did he?
If we made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like.
Lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and
Yes,
family.
do so.
And please help us out and share these videos on your social network, because that helps
Do
us
it.
a lot. Let me know down there in the comments, what do you think about tri-tip cook as a brisket? What do you think about the new grill? Tell me everything down there in the comments, guys. It's all for you guys to share information with us and us with you and the whole thing. That's how the community grows. That's all for today. But remember that I love you.
Love you too. Thanks for watching. See you on Instagram. Until the next one.
Oh, let's eat some tri-tip.
Let's do it.